In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make money online. It's $55 to make a thumbnail, making thumbnails for people. And I'm going to go over a tool. There's so many of these things that can help you get started. What's going on? It's Kevin J. Pino. So I just want to tell you about this cool tool I'm using that can help you earn money by selling thumbnails. Thumbnails are a huge commodity these days for YouTubers and Facebook videos. Now I want you to stick around because at the end of the video, I'm going to give you an extra bonus on how you can make even more money doing other things online. Stick around to the end of this video. All sorts of stuff. Because if you go to Fiverr, type thumbnails YouTube, you can see that some people are making thumbnails starting at $25 for a thumbnail. Let's start at this guy, 10 to make this thumbnail. So within 24 hours, for 10 bucks, he'd do this. I don't know how long it would take you to do this, but I'll show you a tool that can make it pretty quickly. Also, these choice people starting at $25, imagine how much you could make designing these custom ones. The background $35, a premium is $55 to make a thumbnail for someone. Here's some more of their examples. Now it's going to take you some time and some skills and practice to get to this point, but I want to give you a tool that can help you get started. Now since I started using this tool, my click-through rate has gone from like 4% to like 8 to 10%. So let me show you how it works real quick. You're going to go over here. You can link your YouTube account. You can use the thumbnail creator. There's actually an AI image analyzer. You can split test, create 2 thumbnails so you can test which ones are working best and use that. And there's also a series of training videos. We're gonna go right over to the thumbnail creator. Thumbnails are not my specialty, but what you would do is you can either link a video. Here's some thumbnails I've seen done before with this. So we'll go to an old video and change that. What is passive investing? So click yes to edit, click next step, and the AI is actually gonna give you a recommendation. So these green templates are for the basic package here. And you can edit anything that is green. They give you a huge number of these that you can edit. You can do whatever you want with. Purple ones are the premium package, and the premium package is constantly updated. So you can see this looks similar to the one we just looked at for $25, right? Look at how good these thumbnails are. And you could just take these and write your own name in, and it'll actually populate the title from your video. And if you go all the way down to the bottom, there's so many of these things. This is for the premium package. If you go all the way down to the bottom, it's your template. So if I shut these off, mine will pop up. You can see how simple they are. You just tweak them, not hard. For this video, we're just gonna make a quick change. Use this one. Click use template. What it'll do is actually pull pictures in from your video, and you can just change this. Very simple. Click on that, and I'm just gonna write. And I don't really like how you can't see it. The font's a little big, so you can just drag it and drop it. Everything is movable here. So I can take this thing in the back, move it. All these little things here, everything is movable. I can change the background if I want. Everything here I can change. Image patterns, you can add shapes, badges, emojis. What I want to do is just add a stroke to this thing. So I'm gonna click stroke. See how it just made it pop a little bit more? That's it. And then we'll shadow it a little bit. Simple adjustment. That's all I wanted to do. And what you do is just click save and continue. Publish, and it will change the thumbnail for me because it's connected to my YouTube channel. So yes, there's a bonus if you want to start an online business. All right, so I'll show you this little strategy. You can pick up a copy of this down in the description below. It's called Thumbnail Blaster. And down there, you'll see my #1 recommendation to start an online business full-time. Go check that out. where you could actually take stuff like this and scale it into a business, or go into any niche and learn how to do this for yourself. What you can do now is click on the video on the screen to learn more ways to make money online.